Welcome to CBS Automotive. My name is audible and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video I'm going to be showing you parking sensor solution that we offer for the Kia Soul electric vehicle. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and it will keep you up to date with all of our latest videos. In terms of this solution, basically what's involved is removal of the bumper, adding in a 4 sensor head system. Basically there are 17mm flush mounted sensor mounted to the front of the vehicle. Depending on the vehicle, if it's not a Kia Soul EV, we mount them in slightly different locations. We always try to go into manufacturer locations. As you can see by all the sticker work that's on the vehicle, this vehicle is still in transport mode. It has not gone out to the customer yet, so this is a brand new 2020 vehicle. It's not even allowed fully on the road yet, hence why we have trade plates. What we do with all local main dealerships is go over, collect the vehicle and bring it back. However, if you're booking in, if you own one of these vehicles looking to have work done by us, you basically give us a call, we'll work out logistics. You can either have the vehicle low loaded to us or you can drop it off, and we've got little courtesy cars that you can take. Or you can sit and wait and actually observe the work that's being carried out. We've got a full viewing area where you can actually see the work that's being done on your vehicle, and that's very important that we're completely transparent about what we do. Basically, bumper comes off, sensors go in, 17mm sensor, and it's an audible tone solution. In terms of all vehicles with parking sensors, we do 2 different solutions. One has a button. Basically, whenever you want to activate your parking sensors, you push a little button and it automatically turns them on, and then they turn off automatically as well. So that's with a button solution. And then we do this solution, which is what's called a Pro-Fit solution. What this means, basically, as you drive up to a, I don't know, an obstacle or a wall, what will happen is the parking sensor will automatically turn on and activate without you having to press anything. Near enough like what you'd expect from a manufacturer spec. So they look absolutely stunning cosmetically from the outside of the vehicle because they're 17mm, they're very, very small, plus they're always color coded to the vehicle, as well as the fact that on these solutions that the automatic solution will basically turn off after around about sort of 16, 17 miles per hour, and then automatically turn on below around about sort of 6 miles an hour. So and we customize that depending on the vehicle, and basically what we're doing in terms of that is grabbing what's called a speed pulse from the vehicle, providing the kit with that, and then we're carrying out the installation to the highest possible standards. So if you're interested in something like this, feel free to give us a call, drop us an email. We'll go through everything in a bit more detail with you. Today's video is just showing you a little bit of what's a possible solution to add onto a fully electric Kia Soul EV if you're looking for a parking sensor solution. So if you want to get in contact with us, we'll drop all the links below. But the best thing you can do to help us grow our channel, hit that subscribe button below if you've liked the video. And what that'll do, it'll keep you up to date with all of our future videos as well. But thank you very much, guys, for watching our very short video, and we look forward to upgrading your car soon. Thank you.